Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the app not installed error on your Samsung device. It's really simple, so let's just jump right into it. So guys, the most common reason that you're going to be getting the app not installed error on your Samsung device is simply because you do not have enough storage on your phone to install the app that you are trying to install. So the very first thing I would try to do is just free up some space on your phone. So either go through your pictures and videos and just delete some stuff or uninstall a couple of apps. Just anything you can do to free up some space on your phone. And after you've done that, try reinstalling the app and see if you still get the app not installed error. Most of the time, this will fix the problem. However, if it does not fix the problem, you can try opening up your Google Play Store and then hit your profile picture in the top right. And then click on this button here that says Play Protect. And then hit the gear in the top right. And here you can uncheck the option to scan apps with Play Protect. Play Protect is essentially just something that the Google Play Store does to weed out unknown apps on the Google Play Store, but you can turn this off. It may be what's causing your issue. But if that doesn't solve your issue, the very last thing you can try is pull down your drop-down menu. In the top right, hit the gear to go into settings. And then scroll down and go into apps. And then once we're in apps in the top right, hit the three dots. And then click on special access. And then scroll down and we want to click on install unknown apps. And basically what the install unknown apps option does is just allow you to install apps directly that are not recognized by Google. So you see on Chrome here, I can click it and I have the ticker box here that says allow from this source, which allows me to install apps that I download directly from Chrome, and my phone isn't going to check it or say that I can't install it. So make sure to turn this option on if you are installing an app somewhere other than the Google Play Store and getting the app not installed there, and that should fix your problem. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope that helped you out. If it did, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have any tutorials you'd like us to cover in the future, you can leave those in the comments below as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, of course. It's much appreciated, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.